one owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com, and what I got here for you today is engine degreasing and engine cleaning on a newer Power Stroke diesel. It's an awesome truck. It's my dad's truck. He actually has a Mercedes. You can look up Dad's Redneck Mercedes on my channel and see that. Brand new Michelins, man. I like them tires. Nice tires. Colin's been detailing, and you can tell it's buffed up to here, etc. And he's been coming around the truck. He's been coming around the truck when he comes, stuff like that. Now, there's things that's not going to come out in the detail, and that's just, you're not going to get that piece of plastic magically back or nothing like that. But this is the truck. This is what we're doing. I've got the hood popped, and I'm going to pop it on up and do it onto it and get to scrub-a-dub-dubbing. Now, I do engines with water. Water is, look at there, there's a sticker up on there. Water is just how I do it. Now, some people don't like using water. With a power washer, it's not going to be getting much water on it. And this truck is not that dirty, but I don't like all that dust and dirt in there. And I'm not worried about getting on anything here except for things like, I mean, why not put that down if you can? Stuff like that, you shouldn't get a lot on. It's tight. I like to make sure it's tight before I do things. And do a quick visual. I'm not going to spray it directly all over this. Actually, a little broken wire right there. Don't know what that's for. But one of his gauges might not be working. Huh, interesting. So things like that I find, I'll bet you, could be, I guess, the... No, it's not the hood. That goes around that. It goes down to the tranny, it looks like. Let's see here. Now, this isn't part of the detailing. I should cut this out. There's work vlogs. I do work vlogs. Where I fix all kinds of garbage. Wish I had somebody who goes to the bottom to the exhaust temperature. Goes to the bottom of the header there, or whatever, the exhaust manifold. Oh man, I can't get no work done. Can't get no work done. It's amazing. The minute I come out to work, the phone rings more. Okay, so no matter what, I don't know if I cut that out because I do work vlogs and I didn't want to put it all in together. We're going to clean this up a bit and everything. There's not a lot of stuff besides dust and dirt on it. Not a lot that I'm really worried about getting dirty, dusty, or anything else. First step for any of this, when you're degreasing and cleaning, this all here needs to be cleaned up a bit, like for sure. But first step when you're degreasing, cleaning any of this is to get it wet. Getting it wet is essentially going to always be my first step. I like to get underneath first. Alright, I like that for now. On a truck like this, I'm going to always do a little something to the undercarriage on the sides. Now he keeps his truck pretty well detailed, but you can always check out like the back of the oil pan and stuff. And then anything that's leaking will show up right away. Transfer case and everything is, look at this, it's really easy to hit all that up and make it look just a lot better. Now you can see all the dirt that fell off down there. I might have people scroll ahead to the part where I'm doing the engine because wheels and tires are done on this, but I'm not happy with that. I don't want all that dirt and grime, and it's essentially just dust on there. But it's very easy to make it look better. So I'm going to start the motor up because I really like to have them running while I'm doing it, whether it's a diesel or a gasser, no matter what. It's just really neat, in my opinion, to have the motor running. Number one, to warm it up. Number two, it kind of blows the water away too. All this kind of stuff should look way better by the time we're done. Wow, he's got a Motocraft battery. He wasn't playing around. They're both Motocraft batteries. So, let's get a little water on it. Start up high, go down low, and don't get close. Just get some water on it. I like to make sure the edges have been gotten. I love the sound of a diesel. And I love the price of a V10. Now get a little closer. Be careful of your stickers. Okay, so I got my degreaser, and you can buy this. I'll put a link in the description, and I know it'll be on Hipster Cars, I believe. Well, I don't know. I think it'll be on Hipster Cars. Hipstercars.com, and I'll put a link on there somewhere. And I'm also going to put a link in the description for the actual site I put this stuff on. Best degreaser you can possibly buy. It's actually a booster. And it's the best. It's the best. And nothing else to say about it. And I apply it pretty liberally. A couple times. I like to let it soak in, what she said. Okay, that's that. So now I've got a brush here, and I'm gonna get to brushing. People will tell you not to brush, or your degreaser should do all the work for you. That's a complete lie. And in fact, I'll do half of this hood by not brushing it any. And then I'll do this half here, like I would normally do it. And you can be the judge for yourself about that kind of stuff. I just sold a car to a guy that's 30, wow, he's older than me. He's 45 years old. And by the time we got to doing the paperwork, got it all about half done, on the bank, on the way to the post office, go out and mail it out. He calls up, says he talked to his family, and he can't do it no more. What a pain in the ass. I knew he was a little blessed. And I was only doing this as a favor for a friend. All that oil around that, I need to spray and get off there also. But, so it's set on there. Let's do this side first. And you'll see I've got a good degreaser. It's rolling it right off. You can see the stuff just coming off. Okay, I did those two sides the same. And you'll notice this side's much blacker. It's a lot better. This side still has a film on it. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that or not, but big time film. Okay, I'm going to get to degreasing the rest. A little bit of scrub-a-dub-dub here and there. Never let it dry up. It's your biggest tip in this. You don't want what's on your motor to dry up. And the more you scrub, the better it is. I've seen really, really professional details where they'll take the batteries out. Different things like that. Nothing wrong with that. If that's the level of detail you want on your car, then that's the level of detail you need to have on your car. That is not the level of detail I'm going with here. So, don't poke your eyes out on that. Look at that shit. That's dangerous. Okay, now I'm going slightly backwards on this by not finishing this other side first. I usually would have had the whole hood done before I did that, but I did not do this side because of how I split it up. Now, no matter what, look at that. Grease just rolling off of that. That bottle's going to be so much whiter and nicer. Not to be racist. And that cap will be blacker and blacker. So, it don't matter if you're black and white. My degrease is going to clean this stuff up. Look at the red there. Now, the red, being a rubberized product like that, it's going to take a little bit more rubbing and scrubbing than this soft brush and a regular old plastic piece like that. If you want it to look perfect. Anything like this, just hit up quick, get some brushing on, don't pull no extra wires out, and you should be good. I'm telling you, them are right at eye level, right there. Okay. In the spirit of not letting this dry, don't let it dry. I'm gonna get a little bit more in the middle. Oh yeah. And you'll notice more now, probably this side. You'll see it later. You can back up or whatever, rewind, because it's gonna make all the difference in the world. Okay, back up. My dad's truck, it'll be for sale. Oh yeah, it's just eating right off. I don't know if you can see that. But this side, it's not on like that. It's degreaser. It's the same difference if you scrub it. That's like an exact comment on one of my videos. Total stupidity. And it wasn't just one. Totally not necessary to brush that. Stuff like that. And I'm here to tell you it is. I thought this would have a hood liner under it by this year. I mean, old ones had it, but I guess not. Maybe he lost it. Sorry, I can't get that all over my glasses. That's how I'm recording. So that's that. I'm done. You'll be able to see the difference on that for sure, yeah. Look at that. Big difference, man. I'm going to show you down here. Way different, buddy. Okay, so that is detail on the under the hood of a Power Stroke diesel. Power Stroke diesel detail. And now Colin's gonna probably finish the waxing up or polishing. And then we'll give the whole thing a wash. You know, I didn't do this side under the wheel wells, so I'm gonna give it a quick how to, or where to, or what for. Wow. Such a difference just a little time makes. Run that around a running board like that. And I got stuck. Okay, that is the interior motor detail video. Hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna get on to other things here in life. I've got a video to update for the day and a couple to edit and things to do on that front. Beautiful truck is for sale. If you're interested, check out my website, oneownercarguy.com. Got some others for sale on there also, and all kinds of cars, about 100 cars. Everything's not on there. If you see something on the lot here that you're interested in, let me know. Some are sold like that. You know, different ones. Thanks for watching. Have a great day or night, whatever it is, wherever you are. oneownercarguy.com.